So continuing the second question of exercise 1.2 arithmetic progression. The second question is choose the correct answer and justify. The first question is 30th term of AP 1074 dash dash is the options, four options they have given. We have to justify the answer. The justification means we need to find out the AP is 1074. Yes, here we need to find out 30th term. 30th means a 30th term. A 30th term. This is A1, A2, A3. We need to find out a 30th term. Yes, here in this case the first term A is 10. Then common difference is A2 minus A1. A2 is 7 minus 10. It is equals to minus 3. Then 30th term. We know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A 30th term, n is 30 here, a is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1, yes, d is minus 3. Then here a 30th term is 10 plus of 29 into minus 3. Yes, then A30 equals to 10 plus of 29 minus 3 is minus 87. So it is equals to 10 minus 87 is equals to minus 77. This is the 30th term is minus 77. That is option C. Second question is 11th term of AP. AP they have given minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 dash dash. Yes, we need to find out 11th term. Four options are given here. We have to justify the answer. So justification means we need to find out the values. This is A1, A2, A3. 11th term means A 11th term. Here A is first term minus 3. D common difference A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus A2, A1 is minus 3. So minus into minus becomes plus 3 equals to the LCM is 2 here. 2 1 ja, 1 2 ja. 1 1 ja minus 1 plus 3 2 ja 6 divided by LCM is 2. This is equals to 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 2. So then n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So then a 11th term is a plus 10d. Yes, we can generally write the first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term, this is second term, this is third term is a plus 2d. This is 2d, that is n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is 2d. That's why 11th term is 11 minus 1 is 10d. I taken here directly. So then a 11th term is a is minus 3 plus 10 into d is 5 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Yes, it is equals to minus 3 plus 5 5 ja 25 is equals to 25 minus 3 is 22. This is the 11th term. So in arithmetic progression exercise 1.2, the third main question is in the following APs find the missing term in the boxes. Yes, we need to find out the missing terms. So here the first question is this is A1, A2, A3. We need to find out A2. Then A1 is nothing but A is 2, A3 is 26. The A3 can be written as A plus 2D equals to 26. Yes, A3 is A plus 2D. Yes, we know already general form of AP A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, A4 is A plus 3D. Yes, it is nothing but A3 here or A2, 2 minus 1 is 1D. A3, 3 minus 1 is 2D. A4, 4 minus 1 is 3D. Yes, the formula is, we know that A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, remember these terms, that is general form of AP. So here now A is 2, I substitute in this, A is 2, 2 plus 2D equals to 26. 2D equals to 26. This is plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is equals to 24. Yes, 2D equals to 24. 2 1 ja 2 12 ja. D equals to 12. Yes, now we can find out A2. The A2 is A plus D. A2 is the second question is we need to find out A1 and A3. Yes, they have given A2 is 13, A4 is 3. Yes, so here A2 can be written as A plus D equals to 13. A4 is A plus 3D equals to 3. I just solve these two equations. I just substitute the equation here. I just take A is equals to 13 plus D becomes minus D. Yes, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I substitute 1 in 2. That is 1 in 2. A is 13 minus D plus, just write down 3D as it is, equals to 3. So here in the place of A, I substituted 13 minus D plus 3D equals to 3. Here 13 minus D plus 3D is plus 2D equals to 3. Here 2D equals to 3. This plus 13 becomes minus 13. 2D equals to minus 10. This is plus 3 minus 13. Plus minus means we have to subtract. 13 minus 3 is 10. The greater number is 13. The sign is minus, minus 10. So this is 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. D is minus 5. So here we have D. Then find out A. A is, so in equation 1, A equals to 13 minus D. D is minus 5 equals to 13 minus into minus plus 5 equals to 18. Yes, this is the first term, that is A1. A1 is 18. Yes, we find 18. So then A3 is, yes, we know this is A plus 2D. A is 18 plus 2 into D is minus 5 equals to 18 plus into minus minus 2 5 ja 10. 18 minus 10 is, this is 8. This is third term. Yes, first term and third term are 18 and 8. Third one is A1 given. A1 is A equals to 5, first term. Then A fourth term is 9 whole 1 by 2. Yes, I am converting this. 2 9 ja 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Yes, A4 means A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. So I just substitute A here. A is 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. So 3D as it is 19 by 2 plus 5 becomes minus 5. On taking LCM, LCM is 2. 2 is LCM. Yes, here 2 1 ja 1 2 ja 19 1 ja 19 minus 5 2 ja 10. So it is nothing but 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. This is the 3D equals to 9 by 2. Yes, D is 9 by 2 into 3 becomes here divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. Yes, this is the D is 3 by 2. Yes, now we need to find out A2 and A3. A2 is A plus D. Yes, A is 5 plus D is 3 by 2. Yes, again I am taking LCM. LCM is 2 1 2 ja 2 1 ja 5 2 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3 equals to A2 is 13 by 2. Yes, then A3 is A plus 4D. Sorry, A plus 2D. A is 5 plus 2 into D is 3 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. This is equals to 5 plus 3 equals to 8. This is the third term. This is the second term. This is the next fourth question. Given terms are A1 and A6. A2, A3, A4, A5. We need to find out these. A1, that is first term, A is minus 4. Then A6 is 6. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equals to 6. So A is minus 4 plus of 5D equals to 6. 5D equals to 6 minus 4 becomes plus 4. So it is equals to 10. 5D equals to 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Yes, D equals to 2. So now A2, finding A2. A2 is A plus D. A is minus 4 plus D is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Next A3 is A plus 2D. A is minus 4 plus 2 into D is 2 equals to minus 4 plus 2 2 ja 4 equals to minus 4 plus 4, it becomes 0. A fourth term is A plus 3D. A is minus 4 plus 3 into D is 2 equals to minus 4 plus 3 2 ja 6 equals to minus 4 plus 6 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. A fifth term is A plus 4. Here given terms are A2 is 38, A6 is minus 22. A2 can be written as A plus D equals to 38. A6 can be written as A plus 5D equals to minus 22. So here A equals to 38 plus D becomes minus D. This is equation number 1. I substitute equation 1 in 2. So here A is 38 minus D plus of 5D equals to minus 22. 38, 5 minus 1D is 4D equals to minus 22. Here 4D is equals to minus 22 plus 38 becomes minus 38. Yes, D is equals to minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60. So into 4 becomes divided by 4. Here 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. So 2 remains 20, 4 5 ja 20. This is equals to minus 15. Yes. So here we have D minus 15 on substituting in equation 1. A is equals to 38 minus of D is minus 15. So A is equals to 38 minus into minus plus 15. So here A equals to 38 plus 15 is 53. So next we need to find out A1 term, that is the first term A, and A3, A4, A5. A3 term is A3 is A plus 2D equals to A is 53 plus of 2 into D is minus 15 equals to 53 plus into minus minus 15 2 ja 30. This is equals to 23. This is third term. Next fourth term is A plus 3D. It is equals to 53 plus of 3 into D is minus 15 equals to 53 plus into minus minus 15 3 ja 45. Yes, this is equals to 53 minus 45 is 8. Next A fifth term is A plus of 4D equals to A is 53 plus of 4, D is minus 15. It is equals to 53
Plus into minus, minus. 15 4 just 60. It is equals to 60 minus 53 is 7. The greater one is minus 60, so sign is minus 7. So these are the next three terms.